CDF Sweeper affords the user three different ways to search for received or sent CDF files and or individual records for particular homeowners. The method that we're going to explore in this video is the ability to search CDF Sweeper for records by or files, particularly by a particular date range. So we click on the search by date, and we're given some search criteria to which we can narrow down the focus of our search. The first criteria that we can enter is which servicer am I looking for? Now, in the drop-down list here are the configured servicers. For the demonstration purposes, we only have 6 servicers configured, but you can have any number of servicers in the system. So I can look for a particular servicer like Citibank. I can then enter a date range. What is the start and end date of my search? I'm going to go back to November 1st all the way through to the day we made this video, which is December 8th. And the third criteria is, do I want to see files that have come solely from the state, solely to the state from the servicer, or do I want to look at files going both ways? So we're going to look at both ways and get all of the files that were sent or received from Citibank between between November 1st and December 8th. So once I set my criteria, I just hit the search button and it brings back the result set. So I see on November 3rd, a file from the state was sent to Citi, and there were a bunch of from states, and then on the 7th, yesterday, we received 2 files from the servicer to the state, and they're listed here. Now I can expand my search and look at all files from all servicers for the same date range going both ways, and I just click search again, and now I see a larger list. These are initially sent back to us in chronological order, so we have all the way back on November 1st, Provident Funding. A file was sent to them from the state, all the way to the more recent ones that were sent and received between Veracrest on the 7th. Now all of these columns are sortable. I can sort by servicer. By clicking on a column, I just toggle back and forth between ascending and descending order, same thing with date, and even file name. So very flexible search criteria, very flexible presentation. Once I get the list of files back, if I want to look at a particular file, like I wanted to look at this CDF file that was sent from Flagstar on November 2nd to the state, I can just click on this link here and it brings up Microsoft Excel, and I'm actually looking at the CDF file itself. It's really that simple.